What is up, guys? Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, I should finally have the rest of this RV apart. As you can see, I just took out that giant section right there. And I peeled off a lot of the aluminum on this side. So yeah, it's almost there. It's almost done. But, well, not almost done. It's almost apart. This process has taken me a lot longer than I thought, but I'm finally down to like, I don't know, maybe the last couple hours of actually ripping it apart, I think. I haven't checked the floor. I don't know how bad the floor is going to be to remove, but hopefully not too bad. Fingers crossed. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, an update. I've been hard at it for the past, I don't know, 2 hours, and I'm down to pretty much just a flat bed. It's all wood. I got the wheel, cover things off, and yeah, I'm pretty much just standing on the plywood that the RV sat on. It's really thick though. It's like 4 sheets or something. I don't know. It's really thick. But trying to figure out how does it come off. I have no idea how this comes off. I see 3 carriage bolts. Here, yes, 3 right there. But I don't see any other ones. I'm thinking maybe, oh, that carpet, there's a few, I don't know. But there's a the gas fuel filler neck right there. So I'm just trying to figure out how this is all ran. Hopefully I'll get this floor off today and be able to get rid of some of this, because there's a lot of crap over here. Not sure though. I found out something really cool. I don't know if you guys can see this, so you definitely can't see it from back here, but yeah, I can be able to see them. But down there I have airbags, so this thing has an air ride on it, so yeah, I can put a lot of weight in the back and just pump those things up, and hopefully it'll hold it. That's so sick. Someone installed airbags on this at one time. Also, as you can see, this 4x4 holding the side of the bed up. I got it unbolted up here. I can't find any bolts back there for it, so I don't know how it's mounted. I'll have to figure it out still. But look at that's underneath. Getting close. It figures just when I start making some progress, we get some random rainstorm coming through. So back at it again. I'm gonna try to pull the Miata. I'm gonna try to pull the RV tow truck thingy. So used to working on these stupid things. But yeah, we're gonna pull this out hopefully today, and I think I have everything just attached or cut off from it, so it should be good. And hopefully I can figure out what to do with all this. It's funny how some people say like, you should just go to, you know, the dump or something and cut off the RV when you get there, but this is taking me like 2 days to get this far, so that wouldn't have worked just chilling at a dump site with a hacksaw or sawzall. Allie's here recording for me, so thanks, Allie. Hopefully I don't hit any nails on the way out. I ran my magnet. I have a giant magnet on wheels right there across all this area right here, so hopefully I don't pick up any nails, because RV tires are not cheap. If they are, if you guys know any like places to get good RV tires for cheap, let me know down below if you're in the SoCal area, because my tires have some dry rot, but that's a huge tire and it's probably expensive. So yeah, let me know. We're going to try to fire this thing up and yeah, drive it up to the parking spot up there. My grandma's pissed because she's up there doing yard work. And she thinks this thing is hideous. I don't know why you think it's hideous, though. It's beautiful. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right up. Let that warm up for a second, then we'll pull it out. Wow. So funny.
Oh, it's good.
Wow. That is so funny. Alright, so yeah, we just pulled this thing out. It looks so hilarious like this to me. It looks way smaller like this. So that's soon to be ramp truck. This really gets me excited looking at it like this. It runs so good too. For 73, this thing's a champ. Yeah, it looks a lot smaller. This thing is so cool. Wow. That is quite the mess. I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff.
My goodness gracious.
Yeah, this is a lot of stuff.
This is like, you can hardly see Jap crap.
I know. If I go to the dump, I'll let you guys know how much it costs. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to. There's so much stuff here. It's great for backing up now with my huge view.
That seat on there is from forever ago. It's like really annoying. I mean, not really, but it will not come off.
Wow. This thing is so wide. Alright, I'm back in my room now and I want to talk about a few things I'm going to be purchasing for the RV. Also, I am super stoked of where it's at right now. It took 2 days to rip that thing all the way apart. It was kind of a big job, but it's funny driving that thing around with no back on it at all, and it's got a lot of power. Not really, but I can feel the power with no weight on it at all now. Anyways, I wrote down a few things I'm going to have to buy for it, and I have like a goal price and a price that's realistic and a price that's not realistic. I don't know. We'll talk about it. But anyways, so the RV itself, when I bought it, was $1,500, and it's had a bunch of motor work recently done to it, new exhaust, all that kind of stuff. So like the motor and like transmission and like the drivetrain of it should be like super solid. So that was one reason I wanted to pick it up, other than the fact that it was a 73 and so I don't have to smog it, and it's a cool Dodge. It's got a cool grill on the front and stuff like that. So I'm gonna need to get a cab for it, which I am gonna be picking up at Pick Apart. I think I'll be able to get one for like $100 during their half off sale or 40% off sale. So yeah, get it a cab for it. Hopefully it has a window in it already, so I don't gotta deal with that. And then I gotta buy the metal for the bed. I think I'm gonna go with rectangular tubing. Not really sure. I gotta call around and get some pricing on some different sizes and whatnot. I'm still trying to decide the thicknesses, and I think I'm gonna go 120 wall. I don't know. Anyways, I gotta get metal. I put the metal at 1,000. I put the cab at 100. Winch. I saw a Warren winch. It's a 9,000 pound winch, and it's $1,200, which would be, it's a pretty expensive. It's almost expensive as the whole RV, but it'd probably be worth it getting a Warren winch instead of getting like a Harbor Freight Badlands one, because replacement parts for those aren't easy to find, and they're pretty gnarly. Like, they're cheap and they can pull a lot, but I don't know. I just can't trust one of those for, like, if I'm out somewhere trying to pick up a car off some dude's yard and then just dumps take a crap on me, whatever. I'll just be bummed. So I am gonna get like probably a legit winch, and yeah, so like $1,200 ish I'm willing to spend on a winch. Next, Bondo welding materials and paint. I put that at $100. A gallon of Bondo is like $25, and the welding supplies I need to get my tank filled. Get my tank filled's $33, and I'm just gonna rattle can it, so it's probably gonna cost me like, I don't know, another $25 in rattle can paint. And the ramps are gonna be really expensive too. I'm gonna get them off eBay. They are $600 for those aluminum ramps. Those like 9-footers. They're really expensive. They're like $600, but that's kind of one of those things you don't want to cheap out on, because that's a lot of weight to like move back and forth if you make them yourself out of steel. And I don't know. I don't want to throw out my back. Also want to get some lighting for the RV. I was thinking on like the headboard, they call it, like right behind the cab. You do some lighting up there, and also my tail lights and blinkers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those exactly yet, but I put another 100 in for that. So the total cost is $4,600 if everything goes to plan, which you know how that goes. There is going to be an unknown fee of how much it's going to cost when I go to the dump and dump some of that stuff. Also, I don't know. I have some metal. I don't know if I'm going to recycle it or not, but we'll see. Anyways, if you guys like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. I'm super stoked on this ramp truck build. I hope you guys are too. I've always wanted, I shouldn't say that. I've wanted to build one of these ever since I saw one, because it's such a mess dealing with trailers and tight areas, and I hate towing cars with trailers. So this ramp truck's like such a sick like alternative option for me. Anyways, if you guys liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. Thank you so much for watching.